What's going on, you guys? So today is Wednesday. Look at the progress of the car. I completely washed it, I taped it, and it is almost ready for paint. I gotta go ahead and cover up the two back tires. It's really early in the morning. It's 8 o'clock right now. I got plastic on some side of the walls, on the floor, almost all over the floor, all over the place. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything down with mineral spirits, and then we'll get ready for paint. So the first coat is down. You can still see the body work right there, like the primer. This is a very, very thin coat that I put on just to make the surface tacky. I did turn off that light that's up there because of the fact that I don't want any bugs hovering over that and landing on the top of the car, on the roof. And then I got the wing over here that I sprayed. And it's been about 10 minutes since I sprayed, but it's pretty warm outside, so it's drying pretty fast. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to lay a heavier coat over it, a medium coat, just to give it all color, an even color. For those of you wondering, I'm using a $15 paint gun, HVLP from Harbor Freight. I've said before that these paint guns will only work a few times, maybe 2 cars I could probably paint out of one of these guns before I have to throw it away because it will not shoot the same. And as you can see down here, I put paper towels because right where my coupling is right here, it will start leaking water. Since I have a pretty nice filter up here, but it leaks water from here. So I use this paper towel with some tape to prevent the water from going anywhere. Because that's what the problem was last time when I painted my hood. I got a water drop from it. I'm going to go ahead and lay the second coat. second coat is on. You can start to see this is disappearing a little bit where the primer is. This right here, it doesn't matter because that's where the wing is going to sit right on top. It's starting to get a little bit of a shine. You can see all the overspray. But it's starting to get a little bit of a shine with the third coat on there. It should be pretty glossy. Look at the wing. There's a second coat on the wing. It's starting to look pretty glossy. I'm about to lay the third coat, and this is going to be a heavier coat, almost a wet coat, a pretty wet coat actually. I just put on the fourth coat, and it is extremely glossy right now. I could just about see myself. There is one spot over here where I got a bug. It's right here. Right there. So I'm going to try to pull him out. But besides that, oh, and the wing, I try to rush the wing. And look what happened. So I'm going to have to wet sand. You have to see on the wing the runs. Right here too. That's no big deal. That could all be wet sanded. No big deal on the wing. But I have no runs on the Civic itself. Except for that little bug. I'm about to take off all the tapes and everything. Alright, most of the tape is off. And here it is. That's going to be the end of the video. I'm very satisfied with the paint job, except for those few little spots that were kind of messed up. But I'll catch you guys on my next video. Till then, peace.